So I'm doing a field agent gig here at Walmart. I'm walking in now and I'll show you guys how to do it and how it went. So I walk into the store. Now I'm going to open the app and you can notice that I already have the first picture that I have to take open in the app. It'll start with a bunch of instructions, but I usually fast forward it before I get in the store. So this one wants me to take a 4-foot picture of the home thermostats, and this is at Walmart. So I knew that there wasn't going to be a huge selection of thermostats, so there's not going to be that many pictures. So this gig probably wouldn't take that much time, so it is worth doing. So I went and found where the thermostat was. I was pretty familiar with this Walmart, so it was easy to find. It was at the back of the store by the electronics and the smart home stuff. So it was just one picture. There was only one 4-foot section. Now it asked if there was any displays for smart thermostats, and it said if there was no displays, then to just go to the next question, do not take a picture. So that's what I did. Now it's going to ask you for a freestanding display. A lot of times at the end of the gig, they ask you for any type of display. It just has to be a freestanding display. So I went and I found the closest one that was to me. So I just took a picture of this display, used the picture, and then I was done. This gig was super easy. Took about 5 minutes at max. So now when I'm done with the gig and I'm walking out, I always check if there's any other gigs. Sometimes you go there and there's only one at the Walmart, but there could be multiple gigs that just got released while you were there. It happens all the time. And then you could also check other apps too. And another thing that I do is an app called Shopkicks. And what it does is it gives you reward points that you could cash out for gift cards just for walking into stores. So this one had 10 points for walking into Walmart, and I was already there. So that went really well. I knew that at Walmart they weren't going to have the biggest home thermostat section, so I knew it would be really quick. A lot of those where they ask for specific things, if you do it at different stores like at Home Depot or Lowe's, it would have took a lot longer because there would have been a bigger section. But this one was super easy. Literally just walk in and walk out. So click the link down below to sign up for Field Agent.